Hi, my name is Archie. Welcome to our channel. I'm going to start putting a roof over on this shed. This shed I purchased at an estate sale, and it was built by Tuff Shed. And I don't know if you've ever had any dealings with Tuff Shed, but they're usually built on site. This particular one was constructed incorrectly. The shingles that were put on it were put on with staples. So every shingle had a staple that was exposed, and about half of it leaked and damaged the roof a little bit. But I had to start gathering the equipment that needed to put on the roof, and here I've got the shingles that I'm unloading. This particular roof is going to take 3 squares. That would be 9 bundles of shingles. I wound up with 11 bundles just in case I messed up or had to have something extra there. And each bundle of shingles weighs about 60 pounds. And so I'm having to unload those now and stack them up and get ready to do the construction on the roof. After unloading the shingles, I had to gather my generator up and the rest of the supplies needed to put the roof on. And the generator stayed up at the barn. I had to drag it from the barn up to the garden spot where I have the shed. The ground is fairly soft here, and I had to back in to get it up. Wasn't any way to push it up, but you can see that the indention's in the ground. After I got the generator moved up, I had to go back to the barn and use my truck this time and go up to my shop there at the barn and gather the air compressor. I needed that air compressor to run the nail gun that I was going to use to install the shingles. After getting the air compressor, there again I drive back up to my storage shed that I purchased at the estate sale for $500. And I have to unload this air compressor now and get ready to hook it up. And here I'm testing everything, cranking the generator up, making sure that it's running correctly. And then I'll start it up with the compressor. 2 pulls. And it starts right up. After running the starter course, I have to come back and do behind and tell you about the starter course when you're putting a roof over on a storage building or on a roof in particular. I'll show a picture here in just a second, but you want to butt those up with the joint on the previous course on the old shingles. That way you'll have an overlap of about 2 inches on the bottom, and you can go from there. But I'm running the next course up to get ready for the next course below. I probably should have had a scaffolding section to put the roof on, but no more than I had to do. It was just as much fun going up and down the ladder with each shingle. A 73-year-old man, it gets kind of tough, but we'll manage. thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I stopped here and didn't think you wanted to watch the rest of it, but I finished up on it, and it seems to work real good.